Welcome. If you want to change Wi-Fi network in your Amazon Echo Studio, at the first you have to select your device. Next you have to go for the settings and click to change the Wi-Fi network. Right now we have to click and hold this button for 15 seconds and wait until this LED notifications turns to the orange. So click, hold and wait.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Yeah, and right now we can release the button and just simply click continue. Click yes. We are plugged in, and also the orange indicator is right here. So we have to select our device. And right now we are all list of available networks around us. So that was the previously connection. But if you want to switch for any other, you can just simply tap, input the password, and you will be connected. I'm gonna look back for this one because it works perfectly with my speaker. But if you want to change it, that's how we can make it. So right now we have to wait. And
your
there it
Echo is ready.
So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.